Hey everyone, the swimming pool guru and leak detection here. We recently fixed this pool leak in Pretoria. Customer noticed their pool level would go down about 10 centimeters every 4 hours. They had to constantly fill the pool with water. They ended up contacting us to figure out the issue and get it sorted out. We used our equipment to check the pressure in the pool pipes and found out the return line wasn't holding any pressure. To solve the problem, we checked the system with tracer gas. We discovered a massive leak underground in the lawn. We fixed the leak the same day. Don't forget to pay attention to your pool water levels and get it fixed as soon as you notice anything unusual. Happy swimming!